In today's video, I'll show you how to create an event registration page on Squarespace. First, navigate to your event page and enter edit mode. This lets you make changes directly on the page and get it ready for attendees. Next, hover over the area where you want the registration form and click on the insert point. From the options that appear, select form. This will add a basic registration form to your page. Now it's time to customize it. Make sure to include essential fields like names, email addresses, and the number of attendees. You can also add extra fields if needed, like phone numbers or special requests. Once your form fields are set, head over to the Storage tab. Here you'll choose where all the submissions go. You can send them directly to your email, integrate with Google Drive for easy tracking, or connect with MailChimp to manage follow-ups and communications automatically. With storage ready, it's important to make sure your form looks great. Go to the Design tab to match fonts, colors, and spacing with the rest of your event page. This makes your registration form feel seamless and professional. Finally, click Save to add the form to your page. Don't forget to test it yourself to ensure it's working correctly. Now you're ready to start collecting registrations and managing your event with ease. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, your Squarespace event registration page is ready. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful website tips and tutorials.